Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to remove a customer in Zoho Books. Keeping the customer list organized helps us maintain accurate records and ensures that contacts and transaction statements stay up to date. Let's get started. In your account, we can delete customers by going to Syncs and then to Customers. We just need to wait a moment. Here, we will see a list of all customers. To delete one or more customers manually, just click. Then click the three dots and select Delete. We can also delete customers by selecting all of them. Then click Delete. Let's wait for it to load. Some contacts can't be deleted because they are linked to a sales order or an invoice. For these, we mark them as inactive. This is how we remove customers in Zoho Books. Before deleting or marking a customer as inactive, make sure there are no pending transactions linked to their profile.